So guys, if your iPhone screen is automatically turning off, I'm going to show you why. So I had set the auto lock to never, but it's still locking after 30 seconds. So as a start, press on settings. Press on display and brightness. You see right here for auto lock, it's grayed out. So it's locked at 30 seconds. To change this, just go back. Press battery. So go to the bottom, press on power mode. Turn off full power mode. So when you go back to your main settings page, press display and brightness. Yep, so now you can change auto lock. Okay guys, thanks for watching.